Hello, Thack from Thack Ironworks. Welcome to video 3 on my Screaming Banshee hood ornament. If you'll remember from the last two videos, I made first the little screaming face and then I did the hair. And this all comes together and now is going to be mounted on the front of my newly finished roof rack. So let's get into it. I drilled some holes here where I want to rivet it on. Didn't think you needed to see anything that boring. After I've got that, I laid it out and figured out where those holes need to be to center the whole thing. Maybe I'm explaining too much. Let me just get it bolted into place so that we can then start riveting it. I've decided to use aluminum rivets on this. I want something that's not going to wiggle itself loose, but at the same time is nice and soft for me to just smash down into place, and then I can always just drill it out very easily. So for ease of installation and de-installation, I think this is the way to go. So what I've got is a 3/16 by 1/2 inch long flathead aluminum rivet. Let's see how it goes. All right, so I pulled the crew out here. We've got Fish and Ethan, and we're now gonna lift this thing. I've got my standoffs in place. Not sure how this is going to play out. Let's try it. Here we go. So the stainless on the outside on the front, and the inside, which hole? It should be the middle hole. On there yet?
Yeah. I don't know if my square is not aligned. There we go.
And there we have it. All that work, and there it is. So I think it looks good. What do you guys think? I'd love to hear your comments on this one. Thanks for the whole screaming theme. There's been a lot of comments about metal screaming songs, some good suggestions. Got to check out some more Wasp. I only know a little bit of Blackie's stuff. A couple other newer bands that I was thinking of is Knocked Loose and Lorna Shore. Good screamers on those bands. So that's it. We'll see you next time. Thanks for tuning in. Back out. See ya.